Don't miss this great vehicle. It's equipped with great features. You'll want to take this vehicle home. Make a great choice today. Visit the dealership today and see this vehicle firsthand, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, active grille shutters, four-wheel disc brakes, engine block heater, HD radio, Sirius satellite radio, ventilated front seats, heated front seats, tachometer. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.